Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set measurement units on the Atlas Navi application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and new, click to the three line at the lower left corner of the home screen. Click to the settings icon at the upper right corner, and in the general settings section, you can find the first button, the measurement unit, and you can select kilometers or miles. If you want to select another, just click to the miles option, for example, and that's it. But actually I want to use the kilometers. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.